Nothing Phone 2 First Impressions, a budget-friendly innovation. Ahead of the Nothing Phone 2 India launch event on March 5, the handset was showcased globally at MWC 2024 in Barcelona, Spain. The upcoming Nothing smartphone is believed to be a toned-down version of the regular Phone 2 review that will appeal to budget buyers. The handset will tout the glyph interface underneath the transparent back. Additionally, the handset will boast a new chipset, a flat-edged design, and two distinct camera rings positioned at the center of the rear panel. Having spent some time with the device, we're eager to share our Nothing Phone 2 first impressions. Although inspired by its elder sibling, the design of the Nothing Phone 2 looks distinct and unique. Part of this distinction is due to the dual rear cameras, which are positioned horizontally and reminiscent of futuristic robots from Pixar movies. There is a hump around the cameras, but it seamlessly blends into the glossy transparent glass on the back panel. The transparent glass reveals a more simplified glyph interface in comparison to the Phone 2, with 3 LED lights only around the camera modules. Unlike the previous Nothing phones, there are no LED lights at the bottom half of the Phone 2a. Instead, it sports a pattern reminiscent of a ribbon connector. Additionally, the handset lacks wireless charging, which makes sense if the brand is going for an affordable price tag. The smartphone flaunts flat edges with a matte finish, offering a comfortable good grip on the device. The volume buttons are on the right spine of the phone, while the left edge sports a power button. As for I/O, the handset features a Type-C port for charging and data transfer at the bottom edge along with a speaker grill and SIM ejector tray. Color variants. Similar to Nothing Phone 1 and 2, the Phone 2 comes in two color variants, black and white. Performance. Performance on the Nothing Phone 2 has been taken care of by the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro Society. This is a slightly customized version of the Dimensity 7200 and is paired with 12GB of RAM and an additional 8GB of virtual RAM. The company claims the chipset offers better performance than its counterpart Snapdragon 7's Gen 2 and Snapdragon 782G SoCs.